divide them and come with us. Where are they at in there? They can't be in there though. They can't go across the ditch. Dude, I want to get involved in that. Come on. Come on, we gotta push it to A2. Matt, we're coming with... Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's Tampa, that's Tampa. Tank. Rocket bam. Y'all wanna try to spread along the line right here on the side of the road and try to set up? You can stay here and cover down the road. You can stay out here and cover straight down the road. Of all things, Logan, you'd be the one that set you for it. Matt, is the tank moving or is it sitting there?
Tank backed up, it's not an electrical junction anymore. We tried to move out. Can't move anymore.
Where do you need us to go? We got the AT gunner.
Wherever the hell the tank went. We went to the comm bunker.
Alright.
The comm bunker again.
Alright, copy. What do you need?
Anybody see a second floor?
It's right down the road and say it went to comm bunker. And what do you need? Watch out, watch your fire, watch your fire, Logan! Well, if it's on this side. When we're on the other side of the comms bunker, what side is the tank facing? Facing. Are they still in the barn area, or you got guys? We got guys that are pushing up into the barn area.
Let's push up in the barn area, but there's no success on that.
Okay, copy that. We're gonna try our best to figure out how to kill this thing.
We got an AT gunner going over there somewhere.
We got 2 AT gunners and we're going hunting. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna try to hunt this thing.
Good, I need the tank dead before we can do any shit.
Copy that. Is it coming out? If we could get one AT gunner on one side of the road and another one on the other side, that gives us a better advantage.
Yeah,
Don't we have 2? You're an AT gunner, correct? Alright, where's the other AT gunner at? Okay, never mind then. We only got one. I know, brother. I know, brother. I know.
We got a whole bunch of guys doing it.
Watch out! Tank on the road! Tank on the road!
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Come on!
Come on! Get on the other side.
Is it moving up? Good hustle.
Hey, you might have just drawn him out. Come this way. He's pushing up. He's pushing up. Get right here. Set up. Set up shop. Set up shop. Set up shop. No, no. Where's the HE gunner at? Come here, set up shop. He's coming. Okay. Shit, he's right there. He's right there. He's facing that way. If you can flank, we'll try to get around to that other side. Get on his corner.
He's facing us, isn't he?
Yeah, he's facing us. That's the driver's side door, correct?
Yep.
Alright, we got guys pushing. Guys, get security up there so we can get this guy killed up there.
Not doing anything currently. He's included this car. Take it. We got guys on the building. We take the killers. We run the forces back. Take that compound.
How many shells you got?
I got several.
Okay, good. This might take more than one shell. Alright, Logan. Y'all ready?
I need to get close as I can.
We'll try to get you as close as we can. Hey guys, I'm gonna need all y'all to make some noise. We're gonna try to kill this thing. Make some noise, make some noise. That's what we're doing. Oh shit. Where's the gun? It's pointing the other way. It's pointing that way. We gotta get that gunner in there. There he goes. Here he goes. No, I can't move up. Yeah, I'll draw attention. We're trying to sneak him in there. We gotta get him close to it. Oh shit. Can anyone still hear me?
My comms died.
Get down, Logan. Keep watching that.
Medic's coming, medic's coming.
I don't want to draw attention. Wait a minute, AT, stay right there, we got a medic. Now we got two, shit, yeah, hell yeah. We got two.
Hey Matt, I lost my extra battery somewhere around Alpha. Have you guys keep an eye out? I found a battery. I have a battery. 18 main guns facing down the road. You got a clear shot if you move up on them. AT.
Stay down, Gabe. That gun hits you, you're done. Damn. Logan, push that way. Jasper just moved up, okay? I'm gonna try to cover for this guy so we can get this thing killed. Oh, shit.
What's your position?
Where's our AT? Logan, where's the AT gunner at right there? Where'd they go?
Hey, Papa Claire.
You're hit?
Anthony, I'll meet you in Alpha 1. I found a battery. I am up near the barn,
Look at Gabe.
Alright, take it. We just got out.
That little shit. I knew he'd be pretty good at this shit. Where'd you get a suppressor?
Got him.
Yeah. Put your face mask on. Put your goggles on. Put them on. He just shot. There's Kevin. Kevin on the other side of the tank. Whenever we... Guys, we need an AT gunner over here. Same position. Once y'all get responded, come back if you can.
Okay, we got the ref here. He's looking for you. You on this line? Yes, I am. Look to your right. Have the ref look to his right.
Jasper! How did he get hit from? Where's he getting hit from?
Medic!
You know, this is the one place we've never played. He's on the other side of the field. You're a medic? Oh, never mind, right there. Go. Go.
Hey, dead, hand up. Medic! Medic, brother right here in the green cap. Call him, Gabe.
Matt, copy.
Gabe, call him.
Got a straight eye on that tank.
Medic!
Anthony, where are you?
All right, Gabe, you're good.
Do you copy?
Okay, we got AT back. Come on, guys, let's get this guy up there.
I'm at Alpha 1 looking for you. I'm not doing anything, okay? Hey, Dad, how's your battery?
It's your same place, same position.
Affirmative. Ronnie, how copy? Over.
Do you think if we could get you up to right there, you can make the shot or no?
I need a little bit better angle on the side. I can do the side.
Alright. We can either figure out...
Hey, listen. We can name Jerome.
Hey, everybody, regroup. We gotta make a big push.
Wait a minute, we might do that. Depending on if they start getting killed right here, hell yeah, we'll just run at it. We'll just run them at that bitch. Yeah, so you better get the shot like very fast.
Hey!
Hey, if you want to, you can respond back and forth. Wait a minute, do we got a medic?
Yeah, right here.
Yo, he's a medic. So, no, wait a minute. If he keeps getting killed, we can just keep reviving him. Well, for 3 times. We got,
3 times?
yeah. Well, that's how it normally is. It don't matter. Oh, it don't. He didn't say it in the briefing, so I reckon it's unlimited. So we can just keep at it.
All right, you ready?
You try it?
Well, see, you gotta remember,
I need some guys on the left side of the cemetery. They're gonna push around and flank us.
Huh?
Don't keep on going there.
Yeah.
Legends on his way. Tech 4, you need to hold down this RPK guy at the corner of the cemetery on the left side of the cemetery.
Medic.
Matt, where are you? Come in.
Oh,
Straight ahead of you.
Hey, I think that tank is starting to turn.
Drop a
It
P-Mac.
ain't gonna drive in here though. It's not gonna get off that main road. He's turned, but I don't think he's gonna come in here.
I repeat, did anyone from PLS drop a P-Mac?
You should try it now. Let's go! Cover this side. I'm here, copy. I'm here, copy. Yeah, that's me. Go ahead.
If you're looking that way, it's on like your 10.
Come on, guys. These guys push up.
No. Hey, 11.
We're pinned down right now, but we're trying. What was that?
We got the 15 minutes to get a tank.
Hey, I honestly...
behind Alpha.
What'd you say, Sergeant? Hey,
You're breaking up.
He needs a medic. Our AT gunner. He's over there. See that wooden?
Jason to Matthew.
Alright guys, we're gonna have to get out of here.
Yeah, there's
We gotta get.
How much security is on that? Can I push? But we got a tank.
If you can get past the tank, that's one thing.
There's only 15 more minutes till they have that tank.
Hey, we gotta
Keep that
get
in
him
mind.
there so he
Stay
can
low,
blow that
keep
sound.
Oh
alive.
no, don't push up. Wait.
Hey,
Tank will
hey,
take that calm
we
bunker.
got hit. The AT.
Wait.
Tank towers.
As I can hear him saying, in 14 minutes we get the tank in, it switches to us. Then we can take the comms bunker and push into the town.
So hang. Good job. Hey, call Holt. Do you have a walkie?
Yeah.
Call Holt. Tell everybody to bunker down.
Guys, bunker down where you are right now. Bunker down and wait for the tank.
Hey, it's on your Chris.
Is that what? Ain't that correct, Matt?
That is 6.
Chris. Another guy. Hey, can one of you guys go over there? Hey, Chris. No.
Wait. Don't take the tank.
The tank becomes ours in like.
Matt, don't take the tank out. Hit.
Take the tank out if you can, but it's ours in 15 minutes.
Take it out if you can, but it's ours in 15 minutes.
Watch your head, Dad.
Medic! Shit. Okay, I am out.
How close? You're moving up.
Hit. Oh. Come up. Medic. Ah, damn. Hit.
Who else needs medic? Alright, yeah, they're all over here. We get the tank, then we're gonna take the hill, alright? And we need to get guys over there, okay? Who needs medic? We need guys?
Logan, once y'all get healed, push back a little bit.